If you are looking to withdraw the funds that you've deposited into Crypto.com Earn, here's a guide for you. On the Crypto.com app, you can select the Accounts menu and then tap on Crypto Earn. In this menu, there are both the minus and plus signs, and you can select the minus sign to withdraw your cryptocurrency. You are only able to withdraw cryptocurrencies that are on flexible terms. For the 1 month and 3 month fixed terms, you are only able to withdraw your funds when the term expires. After selecting the cryptocurrency, you'll be asked to enter the amount to withdraw. In the case of USDC, you are required to leave at least 25 USDC in Crypto.com Earn to continue earning that interest. After confirming this withdrawal, you will be able to receive your funds in your Crypto.com wallet. To check if the withdrawal process went through, you can select Crypto Wallet and then USDC. When you scroll down, you should be able to see Crypto Earn Withdrawal. For the fixed terms on Crypto.com Earn, you will need to wait until the term expires and the funds will be credited into your account. You should be able to see this on your transaction history and the funds will be credited straight away. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and you can check out my next video over here.